Hi everybody, wanted to share a quick little project that you might enjoy. So at our last house, we had a thermostat and a security pad system that were right next to each other. And one time when Mike was out of town, I wanted to cover that. So, quiet Chase. So anyway, I took just some wood pieces and I had some favorite kitchen towels and I made a cover so that you could open the cover and hide all that stuff on the wall. It just looked prettier and it looked decorative too. So here at our new house, our security pads are in different places, but we have a thermostat that I wanted to cover. So I wanted to show you that and kind of how simple it was to cover it and make it look cute. So this is a little hallway we have. And if you look behind here, there it is. So all I did to do this was I put a frame on the wall. So this is just a 16 by 20 frame right here that I just hung on the wall. I think we actually we literally screwed it into the wall right here. I made that, and I had to do that to make sure that the depth of this, if you can see it, because it's this thick, like an inch thick, I needed this extra frame in order to make sure that this stuck out. So then I just bought this cute little decorative piece, just a little, it's like about another ½ inch or 3/4 of an inch thick artwork, but it has holes in it. If you can see, it's open aired. And so I just bought this at like a Michael's or a Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's or Home Goods maybe. Anyway, so it's got holes through it, and that's important because if you're doing a thermostat, it has to breathe. It has to be able to breathe so that it doesn't make your temperature in your house wonky. So then we hung this frame on the wall so that it would stick out to give it space for the thermostat. And then we just used hinges, 2 hinges, one here, one here. And then we put a little magnet down here. If you can see, we added a magnet down here so that way it would stay shut when the magnet plate is right here. So all we do is shut that, it magnetizes to the wall and it hides all your thermostat. And like I said, if our security system was right next to it, it would hide both. But now, if we want to put other things back here, we can. So I just want to share that with you. We did the same concept at our old house, except this part was just a frame I made out of furring strips, I think actually. So I made a frame out of furring strips, literally by myself, and then glued them together and stretched a kitchen towel that I loved so that it matched my kitchen because that's where they were. And I stretched it over and staple gunned it to my frame, and then we just hinged it here onto the wall. So whether you do a frame and a piece of artwork or whether you do the towel, just make sure that it breathes. But it's a really cute way to have something in your hallway there that is decorative, and even if you need to put something safe behind it like keys or whatever, you can do that. And then while I'm here, I wanted to show you this. A lot of people love this piece I got. This right here, I got this at, I think, Michael's, but you can find them online, and it's just so cute, and it's great for grocery lists, mostly grocery lists, but things that we just don't want to forget. It's got the nice little magnet. This is all metal, so I put a magnet marker, and you have a place to put your grocery list right by the pantry. So just wanted to share that fun little project with you in case you have some things you want to hide in your house. All right, have a great day, everybody.